You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
The Poco brand had a very promising start in the form of the Poco F1. This device managed to awe-value chasers by providing flagship-like performance at a small fraction of that price. Despite the popularity of the Poco F1, Poco went missing from the smartphone space for more than a year. But the brand is now back, with devices like the Poco X2 in India that builds on the same value formula as the Poco F1. But still, users have been clamoring for a direct successor to the F1, and Poco is finally launching the same in the form of the Poco F2 Pro. Much like the Redmi K30 Pro, the Poco F2 Pro packs a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, full screen, HDR10, and 60Hz, and a 20MP pop-up selfie camera. It's a little disappointing to see 60Hz instead of 90Hz or 120Hz here, especially when REAM and a few other brands offer it. The Pro model also touts a quad rear camera setup, featuring a 64MP main camera, IMX686, 13MP ultra-wide camera, 5MP telephoto macro sensor, and 2MP depth sensor. And yes, the device supports 8K recording as we've seen on several other phones this year. In terms of software, you can expect the Poco Launcher 2.0 atop Android 10. Xiaomi touts standout features like an app search bar at the bottom of the home screen, automatic app grouping by category, and dark mode. Other notable Poco F2 Pro features include a 3.5mm port, in-display fingerprint sensor, Z-axis linear motor for improved haptic feedback, IR blaster, NFC, and IP53 splash resistance. The Poco F2 Pro starts at €499, $542 for the 6GB 128GB variant, and €599, $650 for the 8GB 256GB option. Global availability starts today via Gearbest and AliExpress, with more partners, including Amazon, coming at a later time. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.